Welcome. In this video, we're diving into something that many X users have been asking for: how to control who can reply to your posts on the X app when using it on your PC. With the latest update, you can now choose to let only the accounts you mention reply to your post. It's a simple but powerful tool for managing your conversations and keeping replies relevant and secure. Let's go through the steps together. First, open the X app on your computer. Once you're logged in, take a quick look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a series of icons: Home, Explore, Notifications, Messages, and more. What you're looking for is the post icon. It usually looks like a feather or a plus sign. Click on it to start composing your new post. Now, as your post window opens, you'll notice a small option underneath your text box that says, "Who can reply?" This is where the magic happens. By default, it's typically set to everyone, which means anyone on the platform can respond to your post. But if you want to limit replies and make sure only specific people can engage, this is where you make the change. Click on Who can reply. A small menu will appear with different options like everyone, people you follow, and only accounts you mention. Go ahead and choose only accounts you mention. This setting ensures that only the users you tag in your post will be able to reply to it. Once you've selected that, finish typing your post as usual. Tag the accounts you want to mention, double-check your settings, and then click Post. That's it, your update is live, and only the people you've mentioned can join the conversation. This new feature on X gives you more control over interactions, helping you reduce spam replies and focus on meaningful discussions. So next time you share something important, take a few seconds to adjust your reply settings and make your post truly yours.